Hello grade 7s. We're looking at exercise 7.8 today on page 114. We are looking at adding and subtracting decimals. Now in question 1 they ask you to change the decimals into common fractions before you add them. So let's have a look at an example. 0,2 plus 0,26 plus 0,25. We are asked to convert them first into common fractions and then add them together. So let's look at the first decimal fraction. 0,2 is 2/10 plus 0,26 is 26 hundredths and 0,25 is 25 hundredths. We cannot add them because not all the denominators are the same. So in order to make 2/10 into hundredths, we need to times bottom and top by 10. So now we have 20 over 100 plus 26 over 100 plus 25 over 100. 20 plus 26 is 46 plus 25 is 6671 over 100. So your final answer is 0,71. Question number 2 asks you to do the same thing, but now we are subtracting. So let's look at this problem. 1,0 minus 0,67. 1,0 is the same as 1 whole. And 1 whole can also be written as 1 over 1. Minus 67 hundredths. Now we need both denominators to be the same. So let's change the first one into hundredths. In order to change 1 into 100, we need to multiply it by 100. So we do exactly the same to the top. So now we have 100 over 100, which is 1, because you know if the numerator and the denominator are the same, it is 1 whole, minus 67 over 100. 100 minus 67 is 33 over 100. So your final answer is 0,33. Question number 3 is asking you to add and subtract as decimals. So let's have a look at question A. 2,154 plus 8 plus 0,367. You're going to need to do a down sum for this. So the most important thing is that you get your columns in line. 8 is a whole number. To make it look easier, we'll just fill in all the zeros for the 8. Right, 4 plus 7 is 11. That is 12, 5, 10. And there is your answer. Right, let's look at one that has plus and minus in it. Let's look at question E. 11, 11 plus 23, 09 minus 23, 998. Two operations, two different sums. You cannot do this all in one sum. So let's do the addition first, because BODMAS tells us that if plus and minus are in the same number sentence, we work from left to right. So we're going to do this part first. 11, 11 plus 23, 09. 9 plus 1 is 10. 1 and 1 is 2. 3 and 1 is 4. And 2 and 1 is 3. Now we can do the second part. Minus 23, 998. I like to fill the zeros in because it just makes it easier. And then you don't forget to use this space. Right, 0 cannot subtract 8. So we need to go next door and borrow. We cannot, so we need to go to the 2. And remember, it's 9, 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 9 is 0. 1 cannot subtract 9, so we go and borrow next door. 11 minus 9 is 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. 3 minus 2 is 1. And there is your final answer.